Hey, hi, hello. How are you? I hope you are well, you are good. Today we will discuss about nutrition subject and it is very useful for your exams first year BSc second semester. So, let's discuss nutrition. What is nutrition? In a whole day you are taking something, you are eating something, you don't know what is useful for you, for your health. But today we will discuss what is nutrition, what is types of nutrition and nutrients, foods, all properties in nutrition we will discuss. First one is nutrition. What is nutrition? Nutrition means what you are eating, which is helpful, which is essential for our body. It is the nutrition. न्यूट्रिशन इज द साइंस ऑफ फूड्स. ये क्या है न्यूट्रिशन? भोजन का विज्ञान है. द स्टडी ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स एंड अदर सब्सटेंसेस, देयर एक्शन, इंटरेक्शन एंड बैलेंस इन रिलेशनशिप विथ हेल्थ एंड डिजीज. द स्टडी ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स. न्यूट्रिएंट्स इन न्यूट्रिशन one word will come, nutrients. Nutrients are the constituents of foods like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals and water. All are the nutrients. So the study of nutrients, we will study carbohydrate, protein, like that, and other substances, their action, interaction and balance in relationship with health and disease, जिसका रिलेशन होगा हेल्थ और डिजीज से. Why we are taking food? Why we are nourish our body? Because of promote our health, fight against disease, to being a healthy. So we are taking food for alive. It is the process by which the organism ingests, digests, absorbs, transports and utilizes nutrients and disposal of residue waste from the body as the end products. In nutrition, it is the process by which organism, like human organism, ingests, we are eating, digest in stomach, intestine, mouth, absorbs, transports एंड यूटिलाइज, और उसका यूज करते हैं, हमारा बॉडी उसका यूज करता है. न्यूट्रिएंट्स एंड डिस्पोजल ऑफ रेसिड्यू वेस्ट फ्रॉम द बॉडी एज द एंड प्रोडक्ट्स. और इन लास्ट पॉइंट, our body is remaining waste product, it eliminate through urine, feces. Types of nutrition. There are three types of nutrition. First one is good nutrition, second one is optimum nutrition, third one is malnutrition. In good nutrition, what is good nutrition? It means eating the right foods in the right amounts at the right time. In right time, in right amount, in eating right foods. Why we are telling right foods? Right foods means which is susceptible for our body, which is beneficial, which is healthy foods. That is right foods, which made for our body only. Then we have to eat right foods because it is helpful for our healthy. Right amounts, not one plate, two plate, three plate. How much your body required, that much only you have to eat, and eat balanced diet. All nutrients will come in balanced diet like carbohydrate, proteins, fats, minerals, waters. All nutrients you have to join in your diet. Optimum nutrition. What is optimum nutrition? It means that a person is receiving and utilizing essential nutrients in proper proportions as required by the body. Optimum nutrition means a person receiving and utilizing essential nutrients, only essential, which is needs your body, that one only receive and utilize as required by the body. And malnutrition, it refers to inadequate or excess in quantity and inadequate in quality. Malnutrition means it may be you are eating excess, larger amount, it may be less, which is not required amount in your body. So in malnutrition, if you are taking more, it may be problem. If you are taking less, it may be problem. So we have to eat for your adjustment of our body requirement. That is the good nutrition. In malnutrition, excess, if you are eating means you have problem in your body. Now we will see the next point, malnutrition. What is malnutrition? Malnutrition, it is nothing but it is less or it is excess. When we are eating less amount of food, it is less inadequate amount, so it may be malnutrition. If you are taking more food which is not your requirements in your body, if you are lot of food, if you are going to a party and you are lots of food taking because of taste, because of the variety of the foods, so it is, if it is excess or it is less, it may be malnutrition. So malnutrition, it refers to the dietary intake which is inadequate or excess in quantity and inadequate in quality. मीन्स ये malnutrition क्या है, वो dietary intake है, वट एवर यू आर ईटिंग विच इज इन एडक्वेट और एक्सेस, इट मे बी लेस, अपर्याप्त, एंड एक्सेस इट इज मोर इन क्वांटिटी, in amount, quantity, and inadequate in quality, it quality also. So it is the malnutrition. Now we will see what are the types of malnutrition: undernutrition, overnutrition, imbalance, specific deficiency. In undernutrition, for example, this is a dietary, if you are taking more, it is malnutrition. If you are taking less, it is also malnutrition. If you are normal, how much your body required you are taking, that is normal, good nutrition. So undernutrition, it is the condition that results when insufficient food less than the body's requirement. आपको खाना चाहिए इतना लेकिन आप खा रहे हो इतना, तो ये क्या है, बॉडीज आपका रिक्वायरमेंट इतना कर रहा है लेकिन आप खा कितना रहे हो, इतना, तो ये क्या है, अंडर न्यूट्रिशन है. लाइक प्रोटीन डिफिशियंसी कैन लीड टू क्वाशियरकोर इन चिल्ड्रेन. बच्चे जो है, बच्चे को जब भोजन कम मिल पाएगा तो बच्चे क्वाशियरकोर रोग जैसे ग्रसित रहेंगे. इसीलिए एक बच्चे को प्रॉपर अमाउंट में उसको फूड दे ताकि उसका बॉडी बिल्डअप अच्छा से हो, ग्रोथ अच्छा से हो. नाउ ओवर न्यूट्रिशन, इट इज द कंजप्शन ऑफ एक्सेसिव क्वांटिटीज ऑफ फूड मोर देन द बॉडीज रिक्वायरमेंट. ये क्या है, फूड जब हम ज्यादा एक्सेसिव मात्रा में इंटेक करते हैं, आपका कंजप्शन, आपका बॉडी रिक्वायरमेंट्स इतना कर रहा है लेकिन आप पार्टी में गए हैं, पार्टी में अच्छा अच्छा वैरायटी है तो आपने खा लिया इतना, तो ये क्या है, ओवर न्यूट्रिशन है. ओवर कंजप्शन ऑफ कैलोरीज कैन लीड टू ओबेसिटी. अब अगर हर दिन इतना इतना खाना खाएंगे, यकीनन आप में मोटापा आएगा, ओबेज होंगे आप. नाउ इम्बैलेंस. इम्बैलेंस मीन्स when we are eating all nutrients in your diet, all nutrients are present, but if you are only carbohydrate taking, if you are only proteins taking, protein types of foods you are taking, it is the imbalance. Because for normal functioning of our body we have to take a proper amount, enough amount of all nutrients. If you are taking more, only one nutrients, it may be affect in your body. It is the disproportion among essential nutrients. ये क्या है, जब प्रोपोर्शन एक अनुपातिक समानुपातिक में नहीं होता है, एसेंशियल न्यूट्रिएंट्स जो है हमारे बॉडी में, अगर वो आप एक अनुपात में नहीं लेंगे, एक रेशियो में नहीं लेंगे, इसका अगर प्रोपोर्शनल हो जाएगा तो क्या होगा, इम्बैलेंस हो जाएगा। नाउ स्पेसिफिक डिफिशियंसी, इट इज द रिलेटिव लैक ऑफ अ पार्टिकुलर दैट इज स्पेसिफिक न्यूट्रिएंट। किसी एक पार्टिकुलर न्यूट्रिएंट्स को आप अगर नहीं ले रहे हो तो वो क्या हो जाएगा, स्पेसिफिक डिफिशियंसी हो जाएगा हमारे बॉडी में। लाइक आप विटामिन ए का सोर्स जो फ्रूट्स है, वेजिटेबल्स आप नहीं ले रहे हो, लाइक येलो टाइप्स ऑफ फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स इज द सोर्स ऑफ विटामिन ए, इफ यू आर नॉट टेकिंग दैट वन यू मे आल्सो स्पेसिफिक डिफिशियंसी, एक पार्टिकुलर, एक खास जिस चीज की कमी होगी वो पार्टिकुलर स्पेसिफिक डिफिशियंसी हो जाएगा। इट इज द रिलेटिव लैक ऑफ मीन्स कमी हो जाएगा किसी एक पार्टिकुलर स्पेसिफिक चीज की, न्यूट्रिएंट की, लाइक विटामिन ए डेफिशिएंसी। नाउ वी विल सी nutrients. What is nutrients? Whatever you are eating, in that nutrients present. Nutrients are the constituents of food that must be supplied to the body for its optimum functioning. हमारे बॉडी के ऑप्टिमम फंक्शनिंग के लिए फूड क्या है, बहुत ही ज़रूरी है, जिसे हम लोग बॉडी में सप्लाई करते हैं। So whatever you are eating, it is the food, and in food all nutrients are present in balanced diet, or you can say nutrients are the components of food that help to nourish the body. Nutrients वैसा component है, food का component है जो हमारे बॉडी को नॉरिश करने में हेल्प करता है। The basic classes of nutrients are carbohydrates. The basic, what are the basic components of nutrients? Carbohydrates, lipids, that is fats, then proteins, minerals and water, all are the basic nutrients. Then types of nutrients. Nutrients are of several types depending upon their origin, requirement, function. Or origin, organic nutrients, inorganic nutrients. In organic nutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, dietary fiber, vitamins. Now inorganic nutrients, sodium, potassium, chloride, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, copper, calcium, iodine, selenium and fluoride, all are the inorganic nutrients. Now based upon the requirement, the nutrients are two types, macronutrient and micronutrients. Macro means big, large amount. Micro means less amount. So macronutrient means we have to take large, like carbohydrates, proteins, fats. We are eating large, no. That body requirement is large, big. In micronutrient, even a small quantity is it's enough for our body. In micronutrients, these nutrients are required in bulk and include carbohydrates, proteins and fats. They are visible with naked eye. Whatever in your plate as a food you can see with naked eye, but in micronutrients you cannot see because it is less amount. These include vitamins and minerals and are required in small quantities. These are small quantities. Your body requirements is less. They are essential for proper metabolism of various nutrients in our body. This is very essential for our metabolism. Now food. Now next point is food. What is food? Food is any edible substance consisting of nourishing and nutritive components such as carbohydrates, fats, proteins, essential minerals and vitamins which sustains life, generates energy and provides growth, maintenance and health of the body. Food is any edible substance means भोजन जो है जो खाने योग्य है. If food is rotten you cannot eat because it is not edible. It may harm in your body. अगर आप सरावा खाना खाएंगे तो वो क्या होगा, आपके बॉडी पे इफेक्ट पड़ेगा. So which are edible? and which are nutritive, which has the ability to nourish our body. That is the food. Like carbohydrates, fats, proteins, essential minerals and vitamins which sustains life, जिसकी एक लाइफ होती है. Generates energy, जो एनर्जी को जनरेट करता है. Then after you are getting energy, after eating food you are getting energy. If foods has no any properties, you cannot get energy. And provides growth, और हमारे बॉडी को ग्रोथ करता है. मेंटेनेंस एंड हेल्थ ऑफ द बॉडी, और हमारे बॉडी को मेंटेनेंस कर रखता है और हेल्थ बनाए रखता है हमारे बॉडी को. क्लासिफिकेशन. नाउ वी विल सी क्लासिफिकेशन बाय ओरिजिन. There are two types of classification of food: animal origin and plant origin. In animal origin, egg, meat, milk, fish, etc. And plant origin, it is animal origin means it comes from animal. Plant origin means it comes from plant, like cereals, pulses, legumes, fruits and vegetables. Now by the composition, chemical composition, classification of food: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals and water.